brief period of time like a different month. Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Lainey Pope. Lainey, did you enjoy today too?
Oh, absolutely. Around lunchtime, I got out in the neighborhood, enjoyed a brisk walk with the dog, and yes, some sunshine, and then the clouds kind of rolled in this afternoon. And yes, those clouds are a part of a passing weather system. Remember, we talked about how we would have several of those fast-moving systems this week with very little moisture other than clouds. Notice out there today in Mount Airy, a lot of folks are getting out, trying to enjoy these temperatures in the 50s, which have been so nice. Out there right now, we're still sitting with temperatures in the low 50s in Mount Airy. Our current temperature is at 52 degrees. Now, the wind has picked up a little bit out of the west and southwest, right now blowing at about 8 miles an hour. That means our feels like temperatures are not really an issue in the mountain, or I should say in the foothills, but they are in the mountains because the wind is stronger and the temperatures are colder. So we've got temps right now in the 30s and low 40s in the mountains with wind chill values that are down in the 20s and 30s. Across the Triad, though, a gorgeous afternoon, 55 in Burlington and in Asheboro, 56 in Lexington. Winds right now out of the west and southwest at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. We do anticipate the winds picking up, especially in our mountain towns. That will take place after midnight and continue through at least lunchtime tomorrow. We do have a wind advisory in effect, and that is for Grayson, for Carroll, and for Allegheny counties. And we could have those winds strong enough, gusts to 50 miles an hour, that we could have some tree limbs knocked down and some isolated power outages. Also, there could be a little bit of blowing snow out there tonight in the mountains, as we've got a front that is pushing into the area right now. You can see that front bearing down on the mountains. It will be sweeping through here in the next several hours. We'll have wind with it, and we could also have a little precipitation. We had some already earlier today, very light amounts of either sprinkles and or flurries, maybe a light coating of snow if you're in some of the higher elevations. It should be relatively dry from here on out. There will be opportunities, though, for at least a little bit of snow in the mountains overnight, so I've got spotty snow showers in. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s this evening in the mountains, low 40s across the Triad, and then tomorrow morning will be down close to freezing. One thing you can check out just after 6 o'clock this evening is the International Space Station. It will pass overhead. 6 minutes you'll be able to view it, moving from the south-southwest to the east-northeast, so you'll be able to track it that way. There's another dry front that's going to come through tomorrow into Thursday, so that could also bring a chance for some passing rain or snow in the highest elevations, it looks like. We'll start off with maybe a few lingering snow showers in the mountains tomorrow. Everybody else has partly cloudy skies. Then the clouds move out, and we will have sunshine in the picture for your Wednesday. So it looks like we'll have plenty of blue sky out there tomorrow. The problem is that we're going to have some strong winds, and the temperatures are going to go down behind that front. So our highs are only in the 40s. As for measurable snow, west-facing slopes, highest elevations, very light amounts. And if it doesn't fall as snow and falls as rain, it still should be confined to our mountain towns. Here's your forecast for the Piedmont Triad for tomorrow. Breezy conditions, 10 to 20 mile an hour winds out of the northwest. That is a cold wind. High temperature about 46, 47 degrees tomorrow in the Piedmont Triad. For the foothills, we're also looking at temperatures that are going to be a little bit below normal. We're going to have breezy conditions as well. Will land us at about 45 for tomorrow afternoon, but there's also a lot of sun in the forecast. For the mountains, we're going to see a few more clouds in the morning, some afternoon sun, and temperatures that are in the mid-30s. The next weather system that impacts us on Thursday is one that's going to be dropping in out of Canada. And right now, what it looks to do is sort of bring back the cool air for the weekend. It does bring in a slight chance of rain in the Triad, perhaps a smidge of snow in the mountains on Thursday, but mostly cloud cover. And as I mentioned, colder numbers heading into what looks like a dry weekend.